How to unblock someone on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. First open Pinterest, and you might have blocked our account previously, so you have to click on the profile icon here. Once this page opens, on the top right you'll find three dots. You have to click on that, and then you have to select settings. Once you select settings, you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of social permissions. You have to click on that, and then you have to scroll down and you will find an option of blocked accounts. You have to click on blocked accounts, and then you have to choose this account is currently blocked, so I have to click on unblock, and it will ask you for a confirmation that are you sure you want to unblock this account. You click on unblock, and this is how you are able to unblock someone on Pinterest. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.